Installing some bag armor today from Siouxicide Choppers out of Sioux City, Iowa. Pretty cool setup. It's kind of hidden. You can't really see it once the bags are back on. Kit comes with two sides. I already did one. You got your bag armor, all your brackets, some spacers. Here's the packaging with their logo. Pretty detailed instructions. Super easy install. Take your bolts off your exhaust hanger, and then you just slide the spacers in, and then the plate, and then they put the new hardware on. These are 1/2-inch bolts. And it does come with red Loctite. I use blue just because I don't know if I want to keep this exhaust on. That's it. That's about all you see. A lot cleaner look than the big guards that stick out on the side. Definitely give these guys a check. Good stuff, good group of guys. Thanks.